Hi, so today on the Revivify app, I'm going to be reviewing the Dermaco's 20% Vitamin C Face Serum. So the Dermaco is a brand brought up by the dermatologist, and all their products are made by the dermatologist and they are tested by themselves also. So it is a really trustful brand, and they have a wide range of products starting from the face wash to your spot treatments, the serums and the moisturizers, and many more as well. They give you fixed regimes according to your skin issues. So recently I wanted to try a new product to add to my skin routine to give me that glow I wanted, and also to get rid of the acne marks which I have. So I got this product. So this product cost me 700 rupees. However, the MRP is 900 rupees, but after the off which they give, the Dermaco company gives, I got it for 700 rupees, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. So what this product contains, it is for 20 ml. What this product contains, it contains vitamin C serum, it contains ferulic acid and hyaluronic acid. So what does it do? The vitamin C evens and brightens your skin tone. The hyaluronic acid improves the appearance of the blemish prone and the acne prone skin, and the ferulic acid significantly increases the antioxidant protection. So what does overall it do? It improves your skin tone, it increases the collagen production of your skin, and it gets you to get rid of the fine lines and the wrinkles if you have on your skin. So how to use this product, I'll show you the product in a while. After your face wash, take few drops, 3 to 5 drops on your skin. So I generally take 3 drops over 2 cheeks and my temple area, and massage it till it gets absorbed after my face wash, and then I would top it up with my moisturizer, and I would use this product at nighttime routine and not during the daytime. And during the daytime I would use a sunscreen to protect my skin. So I'll show you the product. So this is the product. It is a 20% vitamin C. It comes with a cap, but I have replaced it with the dropper which comes with it. So this is the product for 20 ml. I'll show you the consistency. The consistency is not very thick and not very watery, so I really like the consistency. It really gets quickly absorbed in your skin, and it does not give you the sticky feeling of a serum on your skin. So that is which I really liked. So this is the serum. It really quickly gets absorbed in your skin. So you can see I just massaged it and it's already going. And it does not smell really very strong. It does smell a little bit of the chemical, but not really very strong. Also, the best part about this product is that it is paraben and SLS free, and it is dermatologically tested. So it is a really trustful brand if you want to add a vitamin C in your skin routine, and if you're looking for a dermatologically trusted and tested product. So this is the brand which you should use. The only part which I didn't like about this product is the packaging. So this packaging which comes is a plain transparent glass bottle. So the vitamin C tends to get oxidized when it is exposed to the sunlight or to the light. So they should have used a brown bottle, but other than that, so I have to protect it from sunlight or from direct light. So but other than that, the product is really good, and I have seen improvement in my skin. I have been using it for 2 months now, and the scars which I had, the black scars which I had after pimples, they have gone, almost they have gone. So I have seen the improvement just after using it in 1 week. So I really like this product, and do give it a try.